Hi, Eugenia here, and welcome to my Send Your Mails product review. So what is Send Your Mails all about? Send Your Mails is a great product for affiliate marketers, especially for beginners affiliate marketers, because it's going to provide you 15 websites that are going to help you email all of your promoted offers to 500,000 people per day. And most of these websites are going to be doing it for free, but they might be some investment required, but it's not going to be very much. And also because if you're an affiliate marketer, you are bound to make better commissions if you have already an established list of people who are interested in products that explain to you how to make money online and all of the other stuff. And if you don't have this list, if you're just starting with this product can help you already get some sort of list and start emailing these people with the offers that you're promoting. Also, if you decide to purchase this product, it's gonna give you the opportunity to promote 5 of your offers to 30,000 people that are on the list of the vendor of this product, which is also a great opportunity in my opinion. So if this is something you're interested in, then please continue watching this review, and we will also take a look at the demonstration of the members area, and you will be able to see the product for yourself, how it looks. If at any time during this review you decide that you want to purchase this Send Your Mail product, please go to the link below this video and use this link to purchase the product. So right now, actually, before we get into the sales page for the product and the demonstration of the members area, let me actually take you to my bonus page. It's right here in front of you, and you will be able to see 4 bonuses that I'm going to be providing to you if you decide to purchase the product from me. So the first bonus is going to be turn Gmail into a bulk mailer. This is also just like a great hack for you on how to use Gmail if you have a list of people to email, so you can start using Gmail as well. Bonus number 2 is going to be 5K publishing paydays, so just a little hack for you on how you can also make money online. Bonus number 3 is going to be the 7 deadly sins of email marketing. This is just a great explanation, what email marketing is and what you need to be aware of and how to use it properly. And bonus number 4 is going to be ultimate traffic mantra. So this is also going to help drive traffic to the offers that you're going to be promoting. So I think this is also going to be very valuable to you. And bonus number 5 is going to be all vendor bonuses, and I'll show you a little bit later on the sales page. We're going to see the vendors also going to be providing 3 bonuses to you. But this is my bonus page right here. So right now, let's go to the sales page. So this is the sales page. It does say here in the headline, if you're struggling to build an email list, want to send 500K emails today, including 5 times emails to over 30,000 subscribers on my own lists. So you can see here, this is the sales video of the vendor. This is the vendor right here, and he's going to be providing this product to you. As you can see here, this is the benefits of the product, and this is actually a really good sales page. It gives you a little bit of background for the product creators. Right here you can see some affiliate commissions, screenshots that this person, the vendor of the product, made himself using this method. And you can see right here, we're going to get to the bonuses right here. So this is going to be 3 vendor bonuses. Bonus number 1 is going to be Eagle emails. Bonus number 2 is going to be Tiger's traffic. And bonus number 3, there's 7 deadly sins of email marketing as well. Oh, I believe there is actually 5 bonuses here. So bonus number 4 is how to build a squeeze page. And bonus number 5 is going to be 5 killer lead magnets. So I'm sure you're also going to find these bonuses really helpful. But again, you're going to get all of these bonuses plus my bonuses if you decide to purchase this product using the link below this video. So this is basically it about the sales page. It's not very big and you can actually go through it at your own time. All you need to do is click on the link below the video. You're going to be forwarded to my bonus page right here, and if you just click on one of these yellow buttons, it's going to take you to this sales page, and if you're going to be interested in the product, you can purchase it right here at the end, clicking this button. So right now, actually, let me put the demonstration video of the members area of the product, and then I will come back and explain to you the pricing and the upsells for the product.
Hi folks, welcome to this very quick overview of Send Your Mails. I'm here inside the members area, and as you can see, everything that you need is here. We've got introductions to my YouTube and Facebook groups, welcome from Julie, my launch partner, and then we move into an overview of Send Your Mails, then a quick introduction to the training, and then we're going to get straight into setting up your 5 emails. So basically you're going to be able to send us just the subject line, the body of the email and the URL of the 5 emails, effectively solo ads that you want to send out to all the members across my 30,000, sorry, I wish I had 30,000 sites, across my 25 sites in the Make Money Online niche, and you can send those emails out. You can either send the same email out 5 times, or you can send 5 entirely different emails. It is entirely up to you, and they will go out in the next available slot. So I just want to clarify, they're not all going to go out at once, because we are going to be limiting the number that go out each day to ensure that you get a better response from them. And then we'll get on to the main body of the training here in Send Your Mails, which is access to 15 different websites that are going to enable you to email 500,000 people each and every day. That's right, you can actually send an email to 500,000 people each and every day, and in most cases that is going to be completely free of charge if you follow the methods inside this training. So absolutely fascinating knowledge, folks, for a crazy low price, front end price of less than $10 if you pick this up during the launch, and even if you're picking up after the launch, it's still great value. So myself and Julie look forward to seeing you inside the members area of Send Your.
So hopefully you enjoyed watching the demonstration of the members area, and now you understand a little bit better what you're going to be purchasing if you decide to purchase this product. In my opinion, that was a good explanation of the product. Right now, let's take a look at the pricing and 6 upsells that the product is going to have. So the front-end version of the product that you saw in the demonstration is going to be $9.95. So for this price, you're going to get access to 15 secret sites that you can join and send emails without needing to build your own list. So like he mentioned, you will be able to mail up to 500,000 people a day with this method. And also you will get to send 5 times super solo ads to over 30,000 plus members across the vendor's 25 sites. So basically he has 30,000 subscribers, so a little bit more, and you will be able to send the subscribers 5 of your offers that you're promoting. Also there's going to be 6 upsells for this product. Upsell number 1 is going to be $47. It's going to be Send Your Mails Pro version. With this Pro version, you will discover an additional 50 sites where you can send emails also to people if you don't have an email list. Plus, you will also get free VIP membership to all of 25 of vendors' own sites as well. With upsell number 2, it's going to be $37. It's going to be the Elite Academy. You will get access to his high-ticket course, the Elite Academy, and you will learn everything you need to know about the business with a combination of recorded and face-to-face lessons. And it also includes access to a Facebook group. Upsell number 3 is going to be reseller rights. So of course it's going to be $47. You will get reseller rights to the product. Upsell number 4 is going to be done for you weekly campaigns. It's going to be $97. You will have 3 done for you campaigns every week. So it will include done for you bonus page, quiz review video, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses that you will be able to choose and deliver to your customers. Upsell number 5 is going to be Executive Club, and it's going to be $37. So with this Executive Club, you will be able to get notified at least a week before the launch of all new releases by this vendor. You will get a review copy of the product and guaranteed approval of your affiliate link. And you will also even get 100% of the commissions for the front-end version of his products. And the last upsell is going to be number 6. It's going to be $597. So this is going to be access to Elite Tigers Group Global Ambassador. So this is their brand new program, and it's gonna give you some benefits, which will include 10% profits on the future, product launches, some lead magnet giveaways, 100% front-end commissions of the products, sales page. So you will be able to see sales page of this group for the full details on this upsells, since it's quite costly, as you can see. But all of these upsells are of course optional, and if you decide just to go with the front-end version for now, and then if you decide that you really like the product, you can always upgrade to all of these other upsells, and you will be able to do it from your members area. So this is basically it about this review. In my opinion, this is actually a great training, a great tutorial videos, and explanation how to promote your product if you're just starting with affiliate marketing. But even if you just have a list of people that you're emailing with your offers, but it's not such a big list, you can also use this program as well to get more subscribers to your list. I think it's also a great idea to do so. And I think this is actually a very valuable training that you can actually use if you're in affiliate marketing field. I think this is the end of this review. Again, if you decide to purchase the product, please use the link below this video. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. If you liked the review, please give me a like. It really helps my channel. And thank you very much, and I'll see you